I want to bring in a professional trader. We have Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. I want to talk to you about Apple because these small moves that are being projected by the options market, I'm not so sure if Apple comes out with blowout numbers or that big cash on hand, investors might want to get into that stock.
No doubt, Angie. And like you said, that expected move is about 4 to 4.5%, a little lighter than normal. What I'm looking at, though, in Apple on a longer trend is we've seen lower highs and lower lows. So Apple has gotten up to that point, that 167, 168 area, where that could be a top. If we don't see good guidance coming out of them, I would look for a move lower. But as you said, the option activity is suggesting nothing lower than possibly 150 or so. 50-day moving average is 158. That's a number I'd look for.
Okay, then I also talked about Moderna. What would be a trade for you there? Because Moderna might be a player here.
Yeah, Moderna has bounced a little bit. They actually had some news out, had some earnings out this morning, and revenues and profits were much, much lower than last year, but above expectation here. I like Moderna around the 130 area where that's where it was. That's some decent support. I would look to buy some 140 or 145 calls going out a couple months.
Oh, you're bullish on that stock. Wow.
I am.
Okay. He's thinking that maybe that stock will trade above 145. DDOG, this was such a hot player. Like a year ago, 2 years ago, everybody had to own this stock.
This one was in play during COVID and lockdowns, absolutely. Stock is up a little bit. It's at some major resistance now around the 70 or 71 area. Cloud is hot, but I would be a little suspect here. So after earnings, as we see option implied volatility really get crushed and option premium is cheap, I'm a put buyer here.
Oh, you're doing a hedge play on that one.
I am.
Definitely. Okay.
I am.
And I think everybody's concerned about DataDog because of Amazon's earnings reports and what they had to say about cloud business. So thanks so much for helping me out today. Good to get your trades.
My pleasure.
Back to you in the studio. Have a great day, everybody.
All right. Angie Miles, our reporter over at SIBO with Scott Bauer, CEO at Prosper Trading Academy.